Okay guys, just a follow on from the previous video, you can see just how fast it updates in YouTube for the rankings once you optimize your video. Okay, you can see here uploaded 27 minutes ago for YouTube SEO, and we are on page 1. Let's see, we're about number 8, number 9 or something like that for the keyword YouTube SEO. That can bring in a lot of traffic just being in YouTube around here. Okay, second keyword here, YouTube SEO software. That's the keyword we were targeting 27 minutes ago. Again, you can see we're ranking number 3 in YouTube. Okay, that's just using the strategies I just showed you there, and really easy stuff, nothing difficult there. Video SEO, I can't see myself anywhere here for. That means that if I want to rank for video SEO, what I should do is go and have a look at these videos here and get some ideas from their tags, get some ideas from the description, find some basic keyword phrases within the descriptions, just like we did, and put that into my descriptions. So video SEO we're not ranking for there, not yet anyway. YouTube video SEO software, again we're there. A little bit further down the page, but we're there, and this is the video, not the playlist, that's ranking. Okay, and here video SEO software, yes, we are ranking for that one. We're around about page 2, and the playlist is underneath here as well. Okay, we're on page 2 for that one, video SEO software. So the keyword video SEO we can do a little bit more work on, and these checking the rankings can give us the information of what we're missing. Okay, so we know video SEO and video SEO software we can rank better. Okay, I just need to do exactly the same process again, look at the tags that these guys are using, and also have a look at the descriptions and see if I can pick out some keywords that we can put into our content so that we can take it further. Okay, so we've got 5,000 characters in that description that we can use, and we can target these kind of main keyword phrases within there as well. And just a quick check like this can tell us, and you can do this with the rank checker as well within the software if you have that version. Okay, but if you don't, you can do it manually like this. Okay, and you can just go and check, and you can see that we need to work on video SEO and video SEO software, but we can do it because we can do it for the more competitive term, YouTube SEO software. Within 27 minutes we're number 3. That's putting us in a position where where we might be able to expect to get some traffic and click-throughs from that traffic to sales pages, etc. Okay, let's come back up here. Okay, so I just paused the video there and I checked these 2 videos to see if we appeared yet on the right hand side, and that's not happened yet. So maybe we need to wait a little bit longer for that, or maybe I need to do a little bit more optimization on that, but we'll give it some time. But it's encouraging to see just how fast the on-page optimization helps with the search results, because that can get us some traffic pretty quickly. Okay, and I didn't fully optimize the video, just kind of cut short where we left off with that optimization tutorial. I put in these different tags, etc. It's pretty basic, just like exactly like I showed you. I changed a couple of things with the hashtags as well, which I need to fix, make sure there's no space in there. Click and save again, and that should hopefully help a little bit as well. So yeah, it's interesting. We can go and rank very quickly just with on-page optimization. It will kick in pretty quickly, but not on the right hand side immediately, so we need to go back and check that a little bit later. Okay, thanks.